This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell a stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold, your daily chart. All right, let me just big this up a little bit here. All right, what do we have? Now, you can see here, we were looking basically at this price channel, okay? So you're looking at 2019. That is going to be the big deal, okay? So that is basically that candle right there. Oh, if we can get above that, then what we do is we come to this top of this candle right here, okay? So you're looking at 2022, okay? See, that was a double top. You put it in 2022, you retested it with 2019, and then she sold right on off. Okay, so again, if you can get above that, then what we do is we just follow these candlesticks here all the way on up here, okay? So you got 2027 here. You got 2047. We have, what do we got here? We got 2056. We got 2061. And then we want to come over to this candle right here, okay? 2063. And then your big retest here is 2085. Now, if it can break and close above the 2085, well, you're going to hit that 3,000 mark here very easily. So the key to the upside is going to be this 2019. Very crucial that it needs to close above. That way you can hit this target here and then rack all the way on up. Now, here on the downside, let's take a look here. Okay, what we want to do is you want to really, this candle right here, okay? So that was like a topping tail. Okay, so what you got is 1996, and then we come over to this candle here. That's 1987, and then we have your 1982 here on your 21 SMA. Now, you can look at your 8 SMA, which is right below it here. You're looking at 1971, but look how nice that's curling up here, okay? So your 8 SMA came on down here, but now it looks like a curl up. If you can cross that 21 day, you can push yourself right up here, through and past this 2019, and then you can head for this 2022 level here very easy. So basically on the upside here, you want to watch that 2019. On the downside here, your key level is going to be that 1982 here, and it's going to be this 8 SMA here sitting at 1971. Now again, if that is lost here, well, we can come down to the bottom of these candles here. So basically you're looking right there, you're looking at 1967 here. On this candle here, you got 1959. But basically, you're going to probably head towards that 200 SMA here, sitting at 1950 flat. You got a lot of good support here. You got the 200-day, the 100-day, the 50 SMA here, all sitting there, really nice, good support. So you can see where it sold down. It held that whole level there, okay? Then it rallied right on up here. So bottom line, you need to get and close above that 219. Not intraday, but close above. That way you can hit here to this 2022, and then we can just move right on up here. On a downside, watch that key 21 SMA here, the 8 SMA. If that's lost here, you're going to be looking for this 1950 here on your 200 SMA. All right, let's take a look here what's going on with silver. All right, silver, pretty much the same story, okay? You rallied all the way up here. It got to that candle there, 25.46. You retested it right there with 25.42. So just a little bit lower, and then you can see how she just sank right on off here. Okay, now it rallied up here, and then you did the same thing again. So you put a high in there of 23.88, and then you did the same thing here, and you put a lower high in on this candle of 23.75, and then she sold right on off here. But again, you're holding this area here really nice. Now, the key which you have to look for here on this is to look at this price channel, okay? So you're looking at 24.22. That is going to be very key. If you can get above all that there, then we come over to this level right here. You're looking at 24.43 here. Then we can just work yourself right on up. 24.65. You got 25.22, and then you can have your big retest up there of 25.42. Now again, if you can close back above all this here, okay, then we look to this candle right here. Okay, this is what you'll be looking for. 25.70 here. You got 26.20, and then we have your big retest up there at 26.43. But everything is always going to depend on if you can close above that key price channel at 24.22. Now, let's just look on the downside at what kind of action we got here. All right, 2340. That is you got your 200 SMA here. You got your 100 SMA sitting right there. Your 8-day curling up very, very nicely. As long as that can hold, you'll be in good shape. Now, that 8 SMA here can cross above that 100 and 200 day, then you can push that price right on up here. Okay, so on the downside, watch that 2340, then watch this 8 SMA here at 2328, and then you have your 21 day at 2311, and then we have the old 50 day sitting right here. Okay, you're sitting at 2287. So you got a lot of really nice, good support underneath there. If that's lost here, we just follow these candles all the way on down here. So basically, you're looking at 2250 here. You got 2237. We come down here, 2223, and then your big retest here is 2192. But you got a lot of really, really good support here. You can see when this rallied up here, you're right in that resistance area, and it just could not get through. But now you've broken above it, and if you can hang on, then you can go much higher here. So, bottom line here, watch that 24.22. If you can get above, your target is going to be this candle right here, basically that 25.42. That is going to be key. On the downside, watch that 23.40, and then watch this key 8 SMA here. Very, very good. 23.29, then 23.11, and then your 50 SMA here at 22.87. If that's all off, then you have a retest here of 21.92. Now, when you look at the overall picture here, okay, your MACD here is looking good. Your green is above your red, looking good. Your RSI here, it has plenty of room to run here. So realistically, we just got to see if it can close above that. If you can, then we can just ratchet this all the way on up. Now, the easy way to trade the gold is with GLD as an ETF. Easy way to trade the silver is SLV. Really works out good here if you want to do it on the long side of the trade. All right, that's what I got for you. Thanks for watching.